Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice Support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the Kestrel 5500 weather meter. The Kestrel 5500 is a handheld, compact and robust environmental meter and data logger that has distinct monitoring functions for wind direction using a digital compass. The Kestrel 5500 accurately measures wind direction, crosswind, headwind and tailwind, altitude, pressure trends, barometric pressure, wet bulb temperature, relative humidity, temperature, heat stress index, dew point and density altitude, while also boasting impressive features such as data storage for 10,000 data points, time and date stamped measurements, min, max and average value display. It is IP67 rated waterproof and it floats. In the box there's a battery and a lanyard, a Kestrel sticker, a carry pouch, a certificate of conformity, an information sheet full of tips for taking accurate measurements with your new meter, the instruction manual, and the Kestrel 5500. Features of the meter include a clear impeller cover. The impeller, this is user replaceable. The temperature sensor. The sunlight readable LCD screen. 9 easy to navigate buttons. These are options, exit, capture, backlight, up, down, left and right selector keys with the select enter button in the middle and the power button on the bottom left. On the bottom corner there's an area to attach the included lanyard. On the bottom there's the battery door latch. And on the back there's a serial number, pressure sensor, humidity sensor, and data transfer port. For more information on the Kestrel 5500 weather meter, including a setup demonstration, video and how you can speak to an instrument choice scientist for more information, see the links and details in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.